Here is something interesting about drawing animals. Most people do not struggle with drawing animals. They struggle with choosing which animal to draw. Once an animal idea appears in your mind, drawing becomes much easier. The real challenge is not drawing skill. The real challenge is generating the animal concept. AI helps us during that moment. You can think of AI as a creative helper that suggests animal ideas when your mind feels empty. Instead of forcing your brain to invent something, you simply ask a small question. For example, you might ask for a simple animal idea. The AI might respond with something like this: Panda. Now, your blank page already feels less intimidating, but the idea becomes more interesting when we add one small detail. For example, Sleepy Panda. Now, the animal already has personality. Finally, we place that animal in a small situation. Sleepy Panda hugging a bamboo stick. That sentence becomes an animal drawing prompt. This works because the idea follows three small pieces. First, you generate the animal type. Next, you add a personality or trait. Finally, you place the animal in a small moment. When those pieces combine, the animal idea suddenly feels alive. If you open your sketchbook and see the sentence, draw a sleepy panda hugging a bamboo stick, your mind immediately starts imagining the scene. Maybe the panda looks relaxed. Maybe the bamboo looks tiny in its paws. Maybe the panda is sitting comfortably. That is how a short prompt becomes an animal drawing idea. If that small idea helped animal drawing feel a little clearer, the full step-by-step version continues right from here. In the full lesson, I guide you slowly through generating animal drawing ideas with AI prompts, using real examples you can follow. And you can take the whole lesson free for a month using my link below. Plus, thousands of other creative lessons for a month, including drawing, illustration, and animal sketching. Before I go, you're welcome to leave a quick comment. Even one word like clear or helpful helps more beginners discover the video. And I'd love to ask you one small question. When you sit down to draw animals, do you usually get stuck choosing which animal to draw? If you have any questions, you're always welcome to ask. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped, you can gently like the video. Feel free to share it with someone who might need a calmer way to generate animal drawing ideas. And you're always welcome to subscribe if you'd like more simple guidance like this.